Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HrFlow.ai platform. Today, we're going to learn how to activate job matching for a CVbot source. This allows you to redirect candidates to your job board and match them with relevant job offers. To get a better understanding of this tutorial, it's important to watch the first videos on how to create and customize a CVbot source. For starters, we need our CVbot source to have sync parsing activated. To do so, just send a quick message to the team in the chat and they will activate it for you. To redirect candidates to another web page after they drop a resume, we just need to add a small script to our CVbot code. As you can see, inside the script we can specify the redirection URL. We can try with a dummy example like google.com. Let's save and test if the redirection is working on our CVbot now. We just need to upload a resume to our CVbot and see if we will be redirected to the URL specified in the script. As you can see, the redirection works fine. Furthermore, we have a query string in the URL indicating the profile key and source key of the resume we just dropped. These parameters can be used to identify and match our candidates with relevant job offers if we're implementing HrFlow.ai Open Job Board. You can find more information about HrFlow.ai Open Job Board in the linked video. To redirect candidates to our job board and match them with relevant job offers, we can use a similar script. We just need to specify the job board redirection URL along with the API key and source key. Make sure it's the same source key used in your job board. Also, make sure that your profile searching and profile scoring APIs are activated. Now let's drop a resume and see how it works. As you can see, once the resume is parsed, we are redirected to the job board and we can see that information from our resume already pre-filled the searching criteria section, and that also relevant job offers that match our profiles are automatically suggested. This concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found it useful. As always, all relevant resources are in the video description. You can also leave your questions in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get the latest HrFlow.ai tutorials. See you in the next video.